Hey guys, we received this Nicpro 28 pack Carpenter pencil set with sharpener for test and try. It's a mechanical Carpenter pencils with our 127 pieces refills and the Carbide Scribe tool. Heavy duty construction pencils for architects, woodworking or any other use. Comes in a really nice canvas case. As you can see, is a double-sided. So I will open one by one. So this is the Carpenter pencils in the back and this is the Scribe tool. So as you can see, the quality, it's really nice. And there are the different colors things as well. So as the first I showed is the full metal carbide scriber tool, and then 1.3 mm heavy duty carpenter pencils. So overall, I will say there is a 3x 2.0 mm mechanical pencil, 48x 2.0 mm refills, and then this pencil actually very smooth, although this size is mentioned on the top, and then you can easily use. So very smooth writing, very good to handle, and is a nice grip, and there's a sharpener there to sharpen these leads, so that is good. So overall these pencils are really nice. So as I was saying, there are 3x 2.8 mm Carpenter pencils that I will show you, and then the 1x 1.3 mm heavy duty pencils, 18 1.3 mm colored leads, 24 by 13 or 1.3 mm refills, and the 6x eraser refills. So overall, a nice set with the one eraser, three sharpener, and one spirit level. And this one, you can see like the colored leads as well. So overall, I will say like this is a really nice set and you can change the leads very easily. Just put in the back and you are all done. So this is a really nice set with all these mechanical pencils and everything. And then all these extra refills with the different colored and the black ones. So these are the color small leads as well. So in the back one, you can see these are the Carpenter pencils. So these are really like thick leads and is 3x into 2.8 mm Carpenter pencils with a 32.8 mm colored leads. So you can easily replace these. So overall, my impression is good for these pencils as they are really of the good quality and comes with a really nice refills of different colors leads and the different sizes. So this will be good. And the canvas bag itself is good and you can easily write with this Carpenter pencil. To refill, you can just open it from the back and you can easily refill from the top. So there are the small sharpeners as well to sharpen these leads. The nice colors as well, and you can see this is the inbuilt sharpener in here, so you can easily sharpen the leads. So they are accurate and precise writing, good materials, and nice canvas bag to store and take it anywhere.